everybody, Jody here on my channel today. So July Kit is here with Sara Scraps and a whole bunch of other awesome creative YouTubers. So this month I'm going to show you guys my kit. Last month I kept up. I actually killed probably about 3/4 of my kit, my secret not secret kit club kit, but I can't do voiceovers because I can't find my webcam, which allows me to do my voiceovers. So, oh well, adapt and overcome. I've got a couple more layouts to share, but I'm gonna move into this. When I think of July, sometimes I think of Christmas in July, and I still have some of the Crepe Paper Snow and Cocoa collection that I want to get through. But first, I've added some other things to my kit. So I've added some doilies. These are awesome 8-inch doilies, which I love. So there's a stack. There's probably 10 or so here. I pulled a bunch of different white alphabets. Some of them are brand new. Some of them I dug into a little bit. Some of them have quite a few gone. I grabbed some gold, some more white, some leftovers. I think this was from Amy Tan. And then a couple different like aqua bluish ones that don't quite match this, but I can pull it off if I just have maybe the pink and brown. So I pulled a couple of those which need to get used up. And then this is kind of what I have left. I have, this is a little Ellie Studio paper. I'm gonna mix this in. Let's see, I'll go this way. I have a bunch of the ephemera. These are super cute ephemera. I think I might make like, I might even do a mini album. Let's see how crazy I can go. I'm not sure. But the ephemera for this is super cute. Super, super cute. So I have a lot of the ephemera. I've got pictures mixed in here too because I had pictures pulled aside, you know, like last winter to scrap, and I never got to it. So I have a ton of the ephemera, you get the idea. I really want to use this fox. I have an idea for this fox, which is super cute. So I have all of this. I have, oh, here's another wood veneer. I have I have several of the papers. I have this cut apart sheet, which some of this is begging to be fussy cut. And then I have this other side. I foresee me fussy cutting some of this and then using this as a layering piece. We'll see how that goes. I love this one. I so want to fussy cut a bunch of this out, or maybe even watercolor in some of it. I'm not really sure. We'll see what I feel like. And then I love this pink polka dot. It's super cute. I love this tree background. So I don't know. I might fussy cut these, or I don't know, we'll see. And then I actually love this like craft one too with the polka dots. Okay, you can see that, oh, you know what? I actually have a layout started, I think, at the bottom. Well, maybe I don't, I can't remember. But obviously this is a torn piece from something I was doing. Here's another piece to this collection, it's super cute. And then here's a partial piece. This is fun. Cute snowman cut apart sheet. And then I have part of the vellum. The vellum has like little reindeers on it. You guys can see that. And then this is a piece of like wood grain paper. And part of it, like I tried to cut this on my Cricut like forever ago and just didn't have the right blade for it. So some of it is like, it says photo shoot. It's kind of like scored into there, but I think I'll just use it for layering, or maybe I'll cut some shapes out of it just by hand. This can be cut with the scissors. And then I have another piece of craft. Oh, I did start a layout. Oh, I am too funny. Okay, so this is a piece of Amy Tangerine craft paper from, you know what, I have a few more sheets of this too. Actually, I have several sheets of it. It's from Ready, Set, Go. It's like a few years old. I can't remember when, but as you can see, I have multiple sheets, and I keep all my craft-ish paper together. I've got some more old stuff in here. Ooh, actually, maybe I'll pull that too. Okay, all right. So, stuff out. Oh, would you look at that? Okay, so then I found some chipboard. This, I think, oh gosh, I want to say this is like Cosmo Cricket. Like, it's old, you guys. I'm not even sure what this is from. I don't, man, is it supposed to go with this? I can't, you know what? I don't even know. I have no clue, but it's cute. It's chipboard. I know Sara Scraps is cringing because she loves chipboard, not. But I'm gonna incorporate some of this because I haven't touched it, and then finish this layout, which actually, now that I have this, now that I see it,